How's it going, guys? And in this video we're going to be walking through how to troubleshoot a car outlet or cigarette lighter that isn't working. And so in my case, when I plug in the key to my ignition and turn this guy on, there should be a little light on here that goes on, and it's not. So light's right there, nothing's coming on. So inside the cabin of your car, usually if you look underneath, and these all sometimes they're really nice and they put like a fuse panel right here, but in my case they're a bit mean. But you will have a fuse panel right here, and you'll note how each one of these say like different numbers, like 10 and 7.5, whatever. So these are all the amperages that these fuses will go to before they blow. And in my case, you can't really see it that well, but this is in this Honda, they say which one of these fuses those correspond to. So in my case, the fuse that is next to that guy right there, the 7.51 on the right, is meant for the cigarette lighter. And so when I pulled out that fuse, this is what it looked like. And this is what a 10 amp, so also make note of what amperage it is, and it says it on that sticker too. You want to make sure you use the same amperages that were there before, otherwise you'll run into issues. But I'm going with the 10 amp replacement fuse, and you can see that this thing's still in contact, or still looks good. And that's what a bad one looks like, because someone pulled too much power at one point. So to fix this, it's literally as simple as it gets. It's just coming in and pushing this new guy in. Another thing is that sometimes they'll give you little fuse pullers with these guys, and you do want to be really careful and delicate with these, because sometimes these plastic things will just come right off and then it won't work. So in my case, I'm just going to come right in here and very gracefully we're going to insert this replacement one and just push it in with my finger like that. So now we've got a replacement 10 amp fuse right in there. Just make sure these other guys are in place and they feel good. And so now I'm going to see that we have a working car outlet. So that's how simple and easy it is, and hopefully you have a good back. So yeah, the other thing you can do if you have a multimeter is just check these things for like continuity. But usually it's pretty obvious, like especially in this one, you can see how much burn marks there were on this from the last time. But yeah, so also if you're looking for spare fuses, they do include some in these things so that you guys won't get like completely hosed. So do try to make use of that if you have the opportunity, or you can go out and buy some at your auto parts store. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this helps, and be well.